Welcome to the new Bose Noise Mask Sleepbuds. This is not even in stores. This unboxing may be one of the first ones out there. It was an Indiegogo, and it was a couple months ago, maybe 3 months ago, and it finally arrived today. So let's take a look what's inside this box. Back side of the box. So let's take a look at what's inside this box. Container. Wow, nice and small. We have the earbuds, sleep buds. We have a carrying case for the case. Safety instructions. Instructions about the Bose Sleep app. Also included 3 different size earpieces. Obviously the mediums are the ones installed. You also have a charging. USB cable. Let's see what we got here. And this is the charging device. So you would basically connect this up to the docking station and charge it that way. Let's take a look at the inside. Slide to open. It's live. Looks like they need to be charged. There's 1 dot left. But these are beauties. Left, right. Wow. Charging connection. And this is the left earbud. Oh, little magnets, so they just go right on in and blink. Sorry, my hand was annoying. Let's try this one. Let's try this one again. Oh, the right one is blinking, showing that it's connected. Great, so let's get these all charged up, ready to use. Nice sticky kind of bottom, so if you've got it sitting on the side of a table, it's not going to slide off. So this is the official unboxing of the Bose Noise Masking Sleepbuds. Soon to be in stores. This is a prototype and it's still in the works. You've seen here first. These guys, very impressed by the quality of them. I've been playing around with them, or else changing out the ear sizes. But these things are really, really small. I mean, hearing aids small. And these ear braces are really soft and supple. I've had Bose in the past, or other devices, and they are never this soft. This is really soft. These are going to be really comfortable. But as you can see, they are really easy to install. Great job. So now it's time to download the Bose Sleep app, and using an Apple iPhone, so went to the App Store, typed in Bose Sleep, and it pops right on up. They can kind of show you some of the things. There's Cascade, Tranquility, and more to come. They're just starting off with these, and since this is a prototype. Okay, let's go ahead and try to pair this. Supposed to remove these. Still having no luck pairing this. This is after several attempts, turning off the phone, turning it back on. Oh, here we go. So it found it. So let's drag these guys and connecting. We need to update a few things. Easy. Okay, we updated the Sleepbuds, and now we're connecting to the Sleepbuds. And you go through a tour. Finding your size, trying it on. Quite sophisticated. Perfect fit. Now let's put them in. Let's try speaking loud. Your voice should sound muffled. Shake your head. Yep, they're secure. And the mirror makes them look good. All done. So we've got earbud setup, sleep timer, battery details, and the user manual. It says there's 75%. We're going to put one right up to the speaker. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but there's a shower sound. Swell sound. Altitude, I was wondering if they would do that. Little white noise from like you're in an airplane. Cascade. Ambient noise. And there's some of the sample sounds.